how to join a guild in Archero 2. So here I'll be telling you how to join a guild in Archero 2. First of all, you must make sure you reach up to Arena 10 or somewhat closer in order to unlock the guild hall or the guild option that will appear towards the bottom of your screen. And then once you unlock it, it will look something like this. After you go to the guild, now you'll have to go to the guild and you can simply go to the guild hall in order to select any of the clan you want, or if you know the name, you can simply type the name of the clan and you can join it. Also, what you can do is if you're in a current clan, you can simply leave the clan and also join the clan if you want. So that's for the video. You can simply join the clan by going to the guild hall in this game, but it takes a long process. Keep on grinding the game, and then once the guild unlocks, you can simply go ahead, join the guild, and in the guild you'll also get some shared resources, some gifts, and you'll also be able to battle or play guild tournaments as well. So